I'm Humaira Shaheen, branch head of Roots International School 77 in Rawalpindi, Pakistan. I'm going to introduce my project Environmental Stewardship Campaign. Our nation's future relies on a well-educated public to be the wise stewards of very environment that sustains us, our families and communities and future generations. I believe that it is environmental stewardship which can best help us as individuals make the complex conceptual connections between economic prosperity, benefits to the society, environmental health and our own well-being. Ultimately, the collective wisdom of our citizens gained through the education will be the most compelling and the most successful strategy for environmental management. I have initiated Environmental Stewardship Campaign as my project, bearing in mind its significance in today and years hereafter. Because by the end of the day, if we are left with the latest resources yet no pure water for drinking, the entire quality of life is hugely affected. Environmental Stewardship Campaign is expected to have a measurable positive impact not only on student achievement in science but also in reading, math and social studies. This campaign shall assist students and ultimately community develops practical sense of an approach towards sustainable use of resources, concept of 3 R's, reduce, reuse and recycle, sun is a major source of energy, green habitat, forests and ecosystem and effects of humans on it, pollution control, ozone depletion and global warming, biodegradable and non-degradable food, the best example of chemical energy. This, one of its own kind initiative that incorporates an understanding of the ideals, principles and practices of citizenship in order to participate in resolving issues. The aim of this campaign is to preserving the genetic, species and ecosystem diversity, ensuring that your use of renewable natural resources is sustainable both now and in the longer term, promoting action to reduce pollution and the wasteful exploitation and consumption of resources and energy. And for that, I have taken different initiatives and have arranged different activities inside and outside my branch. For example, we have invited an environmentalist to speak on topic relevant to the environment. We have arranged tree plantation campaign inside the branch, and we have put up stalls of eco-friendly products. Eco-literacy preservation walk was arranged botanical gardens in our branch, and duties delegated to the students to take care of them, take care of the farm. And we have given awareness of home composting, which is an inexpensive natural process that transforms your kitchen and garden waste into a valuable and nutrient-rich food for your garden. Say no to paper bags, use cloth bags. For this, we have introduced our handmade bags door-to-door and in different boutiques. And many more activities like this can be seen in our learning activity. In the end, I would request you all to make our every action count towards green living. The earth is our home. Let's promise to keep it safe. I am one of the environmental stewards. Are you?